Yes, good morning, Anchal.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning and welcome to the IP class. So, first you need to have a look at the syllabus. So, first two units are to be focused in the first term exam and also in the half yearly exam. That is Introduction to Computer System and Introduction to Python. And also with respect to the topics which will be covered here. Yeah. So with regard to the introduction to computer system, we have introduction to computer, then is computer memory and software. So these are the three major topics in introduction to computers. Clear? Evolution of computers, about the computer memory, that is the main memory and the secondary memory, and then is the different types of softwares that we have. So this is for 10 marks. Clear? 10 marks in MCQ and 10 marks in subjective. Then coming to this is our main topic, that is the introduction to Python. So first unit covers the basics, and then the next unit is about the control statements. Then we have two more chapters, list and dictionary. So this is the syllabus we have with respect to the introduction to Python. Yes, Simran, आपका कोई particular कोई topic है that you want to be reinforced?
हाँ जी सर, वैसे डिक्शनरी में जैसे हमने इनपुट करवाना हो की और वैल्यू, सर वो एक बार बताना.
चलो एक बार डिक्शनरी को पूरा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So we just go through the all the nitty gritty of the dictionary.
Okay, sir.
The dictionary is important because in grade 12 also a lot of dependency will be there on the dictionary. So it's very important that we have total clarity on this topic. So let's start with this. This is the clear. So this is the basics about the dictionary. What is the definition is? It is an unordered collection of items where each item consists of a key and a value. So we know that that is the pair of values we have. One is called key and another is called a value. It is mutable. We can modify the contents of a dictionary, but the key must be unique and this is immutable. So we cannot change the key, as well as it must be unique, because all the searching is done based on the key. So it must be unique to identify any value inside the dictionary. आप बता सकते हो that is why the key must be unique?
Yes sir, क्योंकि हमने जब वैल्यूज को फेच करना हो, एक्सेस करना हो पूरी डिक्शनरी में से, तो हम कीज को यूज करते हैं. तो हर एक वैल्यू की डिफरेंट की होनी चाहिए ताकि जब एक्सेस कर रहे हो तो प्रॉब्लम.
There should not be a confusion now that we are accessing which value we are corresponding to the key. So that's why the key must be unique. Now the very first step is, that is how we are going to create a dictionary. So what is a dictionary is we identify the dictionary from this curly brackets. So it is enclosed in curly braces, and each item is separated from the other item with a comma, and within each key and within each item, key and value are separated by column. So you can see here in the example also, this is subject is a key and this is a value, and they are separated with the column, and the first item and second item they are separated by a comma. So this is what is given in the definition. Passing value in dictionary at declaration is dictionary initialization. So when we are basically like this, we are making the declaration. So this is called dictionary initialization. Fine. And this is first we have, this is initialized the dictionary, and here we have printed the dictionary. And if we want to print a particular value, so this is dictionary subject. So with regard to this, we'll be able to basically print a particular value. For this subject, the result will be informatics practices, and for this class, the second method is this method. तो ये क्या हो गया हमारे पास कि वैल्यू को एक्सेस करने के लिए हमारे पास दो मैकेनिज्म हो गए. एक तो है हमारे पास दिस जो भी डिक्शनरी का नाम है एंड इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट द नेम ऑफ द की, और दूसरा है हमारे पास ये गेट मेथड है, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ डिक्शनरी डॉट गेट इज द मेथड. और ये बिकॉज ये मेथड है तो इसके लिए हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा, पेरेंसिस का यूज करना. ठीक है, तो इसको हल्का सा एक बार हम जस्ट make a try on this. So this is the dictionary we have. Now let us say first we want to print the subject. तो अभी जो हमने फर्स्ट मेथड डिस्कस किया है, that method is name of the dictionary, and then is in square bracket we have to use the key. Clear? So subject corresponding we have informatics practices. ठीक है, और दूसरा मेथड था हमारे पास get method, dictionary dot the get method, and in get method you have to supply the key. So here key is, here the key is class. Clear? So with corresponding to class you will get here 11 as the output, because class is holding a value 11. Okay, so this is the basic about the dictionary, how we are going to access the values in the dictionary. So the first we have discussed that what is a dictionary. Dictionary we have said that it is the unordered collection. Clear? And then we have discussed that is how to access the elements of the dictionary with the help of key. So one is by using the name of the dictionary, and then in square bracket you have to mention the key value, and the second mechanism is by making the use of the get method. Okay, so the point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next step is basically traversing or iterating through a dictionary. So we have the dictionary, already we have discussed what is the dictionary is there, and then is we can make use of this loop for I in dictionary, and then is by making use of this square bracket we just mentioned the I here. So just what is traversing is accessing each element once. So this is, and this is the dictionary we have. So for I in dictionary, print this one. We have to make use of this indentation and just run. So you are able to access all the values with the help of a loop also. So if we have one more item here, let us say one more item. So you will find that the values are getting here. Yes, ये सारी वैल्यू नेक्स्ट लाइन में क्यों आ रही है? दैट इज समवन कैन टेल. यस सिमरन, हाउ द वैल्यूज आर कमिंग इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन? ऑल द वैल्यूज एक लाइन में क्यों नहीं आ रही?
सर हमने एंड फंक्शन का यूज नहीं किया, इसीलिए नॉर्मली जब डिफॉल्ट में जो है एक एक प्रिंट करने के बाद वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाता है अगला. डिफॉल्ट में ऐसे होता है.
यस, ये प्रिंट फंक्शन के लिए यही फंक्शनैलिटी है. दैट इज व्हाटएवर इट प्रिंट्स इन वन लाइन, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब प्रिंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी तो इट प्रिंट्स इनटू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. So if we want these values in the same line, so we say n is equal to, let's say I want here 2 spaces, so then the values will come in a horizontal. So these are the basic points that you must practice. Now this is how we are going to traversing. Now next is whenever we have to update a particular value. Clear? So for that, just move to the your dictionary, and let's say we want to basically update here. So this is the dictionary, and here in this program what I am trying to do, I am trying to update a value. So update operation we are applying. So let us say dictionary, and in square bracket we have already set how to access a value subject. Let's say I want to update the class, and I want to make it 12th. So I will also print here print dictionary and just run the code. So update, we cannot make a comment like this. इसको कैसे ठीक करेंगे? How will be removing this error?
सर हैश वाला साइन लगा के उसको पता नहीं क्या बोलते थे.
Good. So you see here, जो पहले मैंने डिक्शनरी को प्रिंट किया है, the value of class is 11, and after updation, so the value we are getting here is 12. So this is a very simple operation how to update the value in a dictionary. We have already discussed in the dictionary that dictionary is mutable. Clear? So how the dictionary is mutable? That we can modify its contents. So this is, we have already implemented how to modify the contents of the dictionary. Let's move to the next important point is how to delete the elements of the dictionary. So we have multiple methods here. We have del method, we have pop, we have clear. So del is, so how the del works? Del works, you have to mention the name of the dictionary, and in square bracket you have to mention the element that you want to delete. So let's we work on the same program. So we say del and dictionary, and let's say I want to delete the subject here. And just again print the dictionary. Clear? So now you see here the subject has been removed here. Clear? And the another mechanism is that we have a pop method. Now I want to read the school now. So now you see here the school has been deleted. So now I have made use of this this pop method. So pop method में ऐसे हमने लिखना है name of the dictionary then dot pop is the name of the method and this is how do we have to make use of this parentheses here and how the delete method is used. और एक हमारे पास और method रह गया that is we have a clear method also. Clear? So how this clear method works? So this will, I think, remove all the elements to, let's try this one also. This time I am working with clear. So you see here, all the elements of the dictionary are deleted and we are left with a blank dictionary. So these are the three important functions with regard to how to delete the elements in the dictionary. We can delete a single element with del method also, with pop method also. Del method में हम use कर रहे हैं square brackets to access a value using the key और pop में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? In pop we were using the dot method. Clear? Name of the dictionary dot pop and then in square bracket we mention the key. And if we mention it like del and name of the dictionary, clear? So it will delete whole of the dictionary. So ये this will give you the difference between clear and del method. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने clear का use किया, अब मैं clear की जगह यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am making use of the del method, del and the name of the dictionary. Okay, so this will remove all the elements and बाद में हमारे पास blank dictionary भी नहीं बचेंगी. Clear? So no, we are left with nothing here. Okay. Yes. Yes, Harsh, Tanish. Okay, Simran is saying it's clear. Okay. So let's cover the next point. Clear? So pop and clear method, these methods we have already used. Clear? So pop method का कैसे हम use कर रहे हैं? The name of the dictionary dot pop and we have to mention the value in a parenthesis. And in clear we remove all the elements, but we are left with a blank dictionary. अगर हम del के साथ use कर रहे थे तो वो सारी की सारी dictionary को remove कर देता. So these are the few other methods. That is, you can get the length of the dictionary also. So how this is done? Let's pick a dictionary. And we want to see the length of the dictionary. Okay, so you see here there are 3 items are there in the dictionary. That is what you will get in the length. The next method we have is the string. String dictionary will return a printable string representation of a dictionary. तो ये string representation हमें बता देगा इस केस में. String representation से कुछ भी नहीं है. Value जो all the values of the dictionary will get printed in the string format. ठीक है, तो वो हर किसी को एज ए स्ट्रिंग ट्रीट कर रहा है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट था हमारे पास the next function we have is the type variable. So if variable is dictionary, then it would return the dictionary type. तो इसको भी हम यूज कर लेते हैं। सो जस्ट यूज ए टाइप, और मेरा वेरिएबल कौन सा है, दिस इज द माय वेरिएबल dict, and you get here that the class, the data type of this variable is dictionary. So these are the just few basic functions. Clear? Built in, क्या होता है built in function? Yes, yes Simran, what is a built in function?
सर जो खुद ही कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में पहले से ही होते हैं, हमें बस कोई स्पेसिफिक वर्ड यूज करना होता है जिन्हें हम कीवर्ड्स बोलते हैं और वो फंक्शन हो जाता है।
Keywords नहीं, keywords let's say we say them keywords also, but built-in functions are basically आपने सही बोला है, that is built-in functions are already there in the system which are part of the Python library. Clear? So these functions are part of the Python library. So you can see here dictionary dot clear removes all the elements. Then you have copy method to return a shallow copy of the dictionary. Then you have dictionary dot items returns the list of dictionaries in the form of key and value pair. So clear? So dictionary item से क्या हो रहा है, subject and its corresponding value. तो ये क्या हो रहा है, items की form में ये, this is the first item, this is the second item, this is the third item and so on. ठीक है जी. Similarly you can work on the keys, you can set the default values. So this is similar to the get function. How to update a particular value? So this update adds the dictionary to key value pair to the dictionary. So इस अपडेट को अगर आपने यूज करके देखना है, तो ये है मेरे पास डिक्शनरी 1 और डिक्शनरी 2 में है मेरे पास okay. Now what I want to see here, डिक्शनरी को अपडेट करके अपडेट मेथड से आई वांट टू ऐड हियर डिक्शनरी 2. यस, तो इस कोड की फंक्शनैलिटी कोई बताएगा मेरे को, व्हाट इज द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ दिस कोड इज? यस, तनिष्क, हर्ष, सिमरनदीप.
सर उसने सेकंड डिक्शनरी को पहली डिक्शनरी में ऐड कर दिया उस पेयर को की वैल्यू के.
yes. तो इसमें क्या क्या है, डिक्शनरी 1 फर्स्ट डिक्शनरी है, डिक्शनरी 2 दूसरी डिक्शनरी है. तो फर्स्ट डिक्शनरी के अंदर मैं अगर सेकंड डिक्शनरी को अपेंड करना चाहता हूँ, ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, सो आई विल बी मेकिंग यूज ऑफ दिस अपडेट मेथड, जिसमें मैंने क्या कर दिया, दूसरी डिक्शनरी को मेंशन कर दिया. दैट विल ऑटोमेटिकली अपेंड दी सेकंड डिक्शनरी टू दी फर्स्ट डिक्शनरी. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू दीज फंक्शंस. ठीक है, तो जैसे क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था अभी आपका, आपने पूछा था सिमरनदीप?
सर जैसे इनपुट करवाते हैं कीज और वैल्यूज को डिक्शनरी में बाद में लूप से.
ठीक है, चलो एक प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट अस so let us now we write a program to input states and their capitals. ओके, तो पहले हम यूजर से इनपुट करवा लेते हैं एक नंबर, n इज इक्वल टू दिस द नंबर एंड ठीक है, कितनी स्टेट्स हमने इनपुट करवानी है, और डिक्शनरी वन एक हम ले लेते हैं ब्लैंक डिक्शनरी। फॉर आई इन रेंज कौन सी लेनी थी हमने, वी हैव टू टेक एन ही रख लेते हैं, ठीक है। Now first is we have to input the state, clear? So input the state and let us say we for inputting a state enter the state, okay जी। कैपिटल ले लेते हैं, ठीक है जी। और नेक्स्ट इज एक पहले हम स्टेट नाम से एक लिस्ट भी ले लेते हैं। Append method is there to append a state this is the blank लिस्ट हुई है, और इस लिस्ट में हम क्या करते हैं, स्टेट के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग जो कैपिटल है हमारे पास। And डिक्शनरी, let us try क्या बन रहा है। States. Enter the number of states. Let's say we enter 3 states. So we are able to input so list indicates indices must be integer. First state is Punjab, second is the capital is Chandigarh, then state is so how to basically now assign all these values to the dictionary? Yes, we are getting the blank dictionary. ये value को कैसे assign करना है to the
सर अपडेट मेथड से अपडेट
अपडेट मेथड से तो बेसिकली हम उसके अंदर वो बेसिकली अपडेट मेथड था डिक्शनरी के लिए, डिक्शनरी प्लस डिक्शनरी। दिस इज बेसिकली एक हमने लिस्ट क्रिएट कर ली है विद दिस इज एसटी इज ए लिस्ट, जो बेसिकली क्या है हर एक का पहले क्या है हमारे पास स्टेट और उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग कैपिटल, इन दोनों का पेयर बनाती जा रही है। दिस डिक्शनरी सो ये हमारे पास क्या बन गई लिस्ट विद द that is containing the capitals.
सर आईपी का पेपर कब है?
हाँ जी,
आईपी का पेपर कब है सर?
आई का पेपर कब है?
यस सर।
हाँ यस, कौन बताएगा अभी किस दिन है पेपर?
13।
मंडे को है बेटा, मंडे को 13।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
वो कैमरा किसी ने भी नहीं ऑन किया हुआ, प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। ये सारे ऐसे बैठे हैं आप लोग। So presently we are working on a question how to input the values into the dictionary. Clear? Like we have inputted the different states and then their corresponding capitals. So let's you all make it try this one. So we just added 2 here. So with this we are not able to work with I in range. We are just making, yes. चलो देखते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को, ठीक है। वी आर मेकिंग एक आधे स्टेप का यहाँ पे डिफरेंस है, दैट इज बट वी आर एबल टू डू दिस। क्लियर? सो विल डेफिनेटली डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट इन द अपकमिंग क्लास। ओके, आप भी ट्राई करना है इस क्वेश्चन को। सो बी आल्सो गिविंग द सॉल्यूशन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। Clear? So what we have discussed today, we have discussed this one here, the dictionary. ठीक है, like here create a dictionary to store 4 student details. So this is the similar sort of program. Similarly अभी जो हमने program किया था, that was with regard to the how to enter the number of states and their corresponding capitals. So the question was raised by Simrandeep, that is how to input the values in a dictionary. Clear? So before that we have discussed what is a dictionary is, then is how to create a dictionary, then is how to traverse the elements of the dictionary, and the second part is how to update the elements of the dictionary. Okay, and then is how to delete the elements. We have 3 methods with this: del method, pop method and clear method. Del method का mechanism ये है, that is we make the elements to be deleted. जो की है वो हमने एंटर करनी है इन दी स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट। देन वी हैव पॉप मेथड। पॉप में हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, नेम ऑफ द डिक्शनरी डॉट पॉप एंड देन यू हैव टू मेंशन द की। क्लियर मेथड से यू विल गेट ऑल दी वैल्यूज क्लियर्ड फ्रॉम द डिक्शनरी एंड यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद द ब्लैंक डिक्शनरी। और डेल मेथड से क्या था, डेल मेथड से डिक्शनरी का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी डिलीट हो जाएगा। Clear? Elements as well as the whole dictionary gets deleted. And then we have seen a few of the methods length है, string है, type method है to get the type of a variable. These are the different built-in functions that we have. Then is how to make use of clear, copy, items, keys. These are the few more methods. इसमें ये वाला method important है, that is how to add a dictionary to the existing dictionary. ठीक है? And the last part was this values method. And then you have 2 questions based on the dictionary. Clear? So we'll just have a 10 minutes break, and now we will meet again at 10 o'clock. Okay. So you just come out with your doubts, whatever the points you have, and we will discuss in the next class. And most probably we will discuss the list in that class. So next we will meet at 10 o'clock.